Today's recipe is with zucchini or green squash. It's an appetizer, Moroccan way. It's not fried, but cooked in a different way. So simple, but delicious and nutritious. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is with green zucchini. I will make it as an appetizer, a Moroccan way. We will need some zucchinis. We clean them, of course. Olive oil. Need some parsley, chopped parsley, and cilantro. Cilantro is lighter in color than parsley. There's a difference between cilantro and parsley. For the spices, we need salt, paprika, cayenne pepper or chili powder, cumin, and garlic. And of course, olive oil. We use always olive oil in the Mediterranean cuisine. After we clean the squash or the zucchini, we cut both ends. Then we will start slicing them. You can cut them into circles or long way, whatever shape you prefer and like. You don't have to be like that, slice like this way. Any way you prefer and like. When you slice them, leave them a little bit thick, not too thin. Then boil them in the water, salted water. Not too much, like when you cook them, leave them a little bit al dente, a little bit, not until become mushy. Now, after I boiled my zucchini, you can steam it also for a few minutes. I put the olive oil in the pot, the zucchini or squash, green squash, parsley, and also cilantro, parsley and cilantro. And for the spices, some cumin. It depends on the quantity that you have. Some salt, a little bit of chili powder or cayenne pepper if you like it a little bit spicy, some garlic, and some red pepper. It's very simple. Then you mix it like that. You cannot mix it too much with a spoon or because it will get mushy. Try only to move the pot a little bit from side to side until that all the pieces of the squash or zucchini get all the spices. You leave it only for 4 to 5 minutes, and that's it. You don't want to overcook it. It's only a few minutes until that all the zucchini gets the spices into it, and that's it. Our appetizer, it's ready. As you see here, the green squash didn't release no liquid. You see only the oil there, and that's good like that. It's not mushy, didn't release no liquid. When you cook it this 4 or 5 minutes, try to be having a high heat like that. The zucchini keep the good shape and don't release no water. And that's our final plate. It's easy, as I said earlier, but delicious and nutritious. Try it and let me know in the comments how did you like it. And also, I know that zucchini goes very well with oregano. If you like to add oregano, you can add some on the top and enjoy.